Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two cells in Excel without losing any data. Merging cells is a common thing, but if you've ever tried it, you probably know that Excel usually only keeps the data from the first cell and deletes the rest. But don't worry, there's an easy way to do it without losing any of your information. Let's jump right in. Here, I have two cells with data that I want to merge, but I don't want to lose any information. Instead of directly merging the cells, we're going to combine the data using a simple formula called concatenate, or in newer Excel versions, you can use the text join function. Let me show you how. Click on an empty cell where you want the combined data to appear. Type this formula. Now you can see that data from both cells is combined into a single cell. Just copy this data and paste as value to the first cell. Now we have combined data from both cells into a single one, but it looks not organized. Here is a tip for you. Select the cell with data and the next empty cell and go Home tab, then press Merge and Center option. And that's it. Now you know how to merge two cells in Excel without losing any data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on Skills Exceed.